How y'all doing? It is a windy, cold day. Wind's about 28 miles per hour. Swaying in the old Stetson. We are headed to a little junkyard that I spied down the road. Gonna see if we can get in. And this could be a failed video. We might not get in. They might not want us to get in to this old junkyard. So we're gonna go down there and find out. Starting to harvest everything. So the corn across the street from us is still up, but he was doing his other fields. And then there is corn. And I've talked to a lot of these farmers, they're storing it for better prices. But it is a pretty day, except for these stupid turbines. Let's get a non-turbine view. Pretty nice. Pretty dang cold. I know a lot of folks do the junkyard exploration videos. So this might be a first for us of going and getting denied to go. So we'll document that as well and see if we can talk our way up into there, if that's cool. These turbines take away from the scenery. Ah, we're on a paved road. Look at us go. Trees are turning. That was a pretty red one. This road is bumpy as all get out. All right. Good Lord. Here is the backside. It is pretty grown up. That looks like an old fire truck. Let's get up in here and see what they got. All right, y'all, we did fail, but we failed for today. So Terry is the guy that owns the place. Talked to him, and unfortunately they were super busy. He said we could get back over there and look at it, but he likes to walk around with me, or walk around with you. And then I told him, you know, I'd like to interview him a little bit about his scrapyard. He said he's down for that. But we have had some rain, and they've got an area that they are working on back there today, filling in, that's holding a lot of water. So he goes, man, today just ain't the day to do it, but we'll have a go around there. So that was good. So probably next week or so, we have a week of like wind and cold, and I know it'll blow out some of that, and that'll give them some time to, you know, to empty that water out of there. So we are going to get an invite back and talk about that scrapyard. It looked pretty nice. I seen a square body in there, and I did take a little picture of a super cool aluminum trailer that I would love to have for our food, chicken food and duck food storage. That'd be real nice. Look at them trees. Look at that. Dunn Hardware and Supply, but we don't call it Dunn's. What we call it, y'all can see that, is Bolts and Beer. Let's go in here and look at this old Milwaukee bag. This is a huge old Milwaukee store. You don't see DeWalt stores like this. All right, let me get to shopping. We got to ride on a combine harvesting corn. So y'all watch the Sunday story time this Sunday, where we'll have a special edition, a harvest edition of the Block Party Corn Report. It's gonna be awesome. That was fun. There's a lot going on in the combine. Time to sand this old girl down. We are making a ugly truck show diorama trophy for our ugly truck show, which will be this weekend, October what? 18th. So this one got selected to be the ugly truck. It'll work out nice. All right, I'm not gonna make y'all watch me sand this whole thing, but I'll get to work on it and then video the highlights. So before, after. Trust me with the process. Y'all can see the old spittoon. What did I do? Damn it. All right, some of y'all don't know, I use this spittoon as an apple box for my Shure microphone when I do Sunday story time. Use this tripod here. It's my old school one. Then I got an old school one there, and then my little grippy boy there. I use some. We're going to use this as a base. This is some hard old oak. This is some of the wood that come off of our grain wagon. Let me see how this is going to work. That is some soft ass wood. I did that all over me. All right, we're looking at something like this. So far, I think that's going to turn out cool. And then we sanded this down, distressed it some. Not too bad, but we're going to put a little, this is the side that's going to be out. So we're going to put some other little paint and stuff like that on it and pimp it out a little bit. Yeah, I like it. I decided to have a pint. I decided to have a pint. I'm absolutely just trying to figure this out, y'all. Someone that does these is going to comment that I'm doing this absolutely wrong. Wrong material, all that stuff. But it's all good. I think it's going to be cool. Yeah, we're getting there. See, got some old dirt up in there. Once I attach the car, I think I'm gonna put this rock up in here. Does premium wood glue stick to stuff? Sure, it must be clean and dry. I think we're gonna be good. Anyway. Now we gotta go find some green stuff. Alright, I know you can buy this stuff like at Hobby Lobby, but I figured it'd be cooler if this was all just stuff from the yard. And I think we will do this. Well, shit. I blew my little weeds away. This is like most of the stuff I do. I don't ever really plan it out. I just play it by ear. Yeah, look at that. That's gonna be freaking cool, y'all. All right, and I think it's about time to attach this. And I wonder if we should use freaking Gorilla Glue. Guess what? We're not using Gorilla Glue. Stronger than water cleanup. I might need to use like a hot glue gun wherever it might be. and glue that down. I might do another one of these. All right, let's grab some more little pieces of grass. Y'all are probably like, this is boring, but I'm having fun. Yeah, I like this. We may have to do some more. I'm gonna see what other kind of little sticks and stuff I got. Let's see how that's looking. Yeah, I freaking like it. All right, y'all, took a little drywall screw and secured the truck down. Had a little shrubbery there. The glue's got to dry. And we dabbed some primer here and there on it. Hid the drywall screw there. Made a little dirt pile, some other little shrubbery, and then weathered the Bomber's garage sign. So that's going to be a cool little trophy for somebody. Hey, appreciate y'all watching. That little diorama Hot Wheels trophy turned out real nice for Ugliest Ugly Truck at our Ugly Truck show. That's going to be October 18th. We'll do a couple little shorts on that, add a little bit of video probably for next Wednesday. Definitely get back by that Junkyard. I talked to the owner, one of the guys that worked for him, and they were super, super nice. I really would love to get that aluminum shell, but I don't know that is going to be for sale. But they were super nice guys, and the guy actually knew who I was, which was a bonus. The Sunday, we're going to have the block party corn report harvest edition, and riding that combine was super awesome. So appreciate y'all watching. God bless y'all.